is us on the boat for the first time with Walker. He's got no fears. He's watching Daddy fish. Here, Daddy, get video of the front. It's already on.
Hey, baby. Oh, fish on.
It's the first fish.
Look, Walker.
Mommy can't get his face because Mommy's trying to hold on to him.
Look. Look.
What's
this?
that?
This is
It's
a
a
fish.
fish.
They caught that from the bottom of the lake. Look. Look, can you put your thumb in there and hold him? Put your thumb in there. All right, pinch down. Watch him. Watch him. Where'd he go? He went down there at the bottom of the lake, baby.